If you run a professional service business and feel like AI is passing you by, this is for you. Most consultants and firm owners I meet have dabbled with tools like ChatGPT, but they're stuck in overwhelm. The articles are too technical, the advice doesn't fit their business, and every week the noise gets louder. That's why we created Human First AI, a hands-on program that helps you save time, reduce costs, and wow your clients using AI workflows that make sense for you. We start with a tailored assessment, co-create your roadmap, train your team, and help you implement without the hype. This isn't about replacing your expertise, it's about amplifying it. We've helped clients use AI to shave hours off admin, automate what used to take days, and lead their space with confidence. Want to see how it works? Join our free Facebook group, Fully Booked, Human First AI and Visibility Strategies for Professional Firms. Let's make AI finally make sense and make you fully booked. Because the future of business isn't bots, it's bold professionals who use AI right.